Okay, guys, check this out. We got this product actually sent to us to test out. This is one of the other products from the TISFA line. So check that out, guys. This is one of their humidors. I'm really liking the way that this humidor looks. It's got a very nice little brass latch on it. See, this thing seals it up good. Now let me go ahead and pull this out of here. Everything that's in this little humidor, you've got obviously your little pieces of cedar wood right here that you're going to have in it. You're going to place your cigars on the inside along with the humidifier, which is this piece right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to place that in here after you saturate it with your glycerin and distilled water, and it's going to produce the humidity inside of this container to keep it at the proper temperature, or not temperature, but humidity for your cigars, which in my area is usually between 55 and 60% humidity. Now in the top here, you're going to see there is a little humidity gauge, so you can actually see it without having to open it up or anything. Plus, well, it's transparent. You can see the inside. Nice little brass hinges all the way around. And the other cool thing about it is if you actually look really close right here, you see that little black line that runs all the way around it? That is a waterproof seal, little rubberized seal all the way around that. So take a look at that little rubberized seal. What that's going to do is when you close it, you can see it's kind of lifted up. When you press down, close it, and compress that little seal, that seals this up. There's going to be nothing escaping from this or getting into it. So it's going to trap that humidity in where it needs to be on your cigars. So yeah, this is just another one of those fun little products from TISFA that I really enjoy getting. Right now, currently, the humidity inside of this container is at about 60, or not 60, but 58% humidity. So perfect. And so we're probably going to sit back and enjoy one of these. So if you like what you saw today, hit the subscribe button. And I just look forward to the more products that we're going to be able to bring to you. Check out the comment section. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about these different humidors, the lighters and stuff, and the little cutters. I mean, they want to know feedback from you guys. What do you think about it? So with that, guys, we're out of here. You have an awesome weekend.